representative of Ministry of Health, Selema and the team, representative of the government of Finland, led by Oscar Kaz, County Commissioner, represented by Simon Osumba, DTC. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, we are here marking a milestone as we open Ekerenyo Sub-County District Hospital newborn unit today. It becomes the first public hospital facility in Nyamira Sub-County offering these services. In serving more than 200 people of Nyamira Sub-County and its environs, we are bringing health services closer to the people. Ladies and gentlemen, as of 2022, Nyamira County retains a NATO mortality rate of 27 for every 1,000, and the mortality rate of 31%, 31 out of 1,000. Igasa abantu bakubya lwelu moja, abana 27 na 31 wabawuzira kanwakala abyaluga na abane kugrawanya. In a step towards zero deaths at birth, we cannot compromise any quality. We have qualified staff to deliver the best. On the same note, no mother should lose life while giving birth. We are steady in our commitment in attaining 100% delivery by skilled health providers from the current 93%. It's also part of our strategy to expand the capacity of this hospital to offer general and more special surgeries away from the Nyamira County Teaching and Viral Hospital. That is a huge line with the spirit of devolution right to the grassroots. Ladies and gentlemen, my administration acknowledges the immense work of the community health promoters as we strive to achieve universal health coverage. They remain our foot soldiers. We will continue facilitating them as our first line of defense. Now, I think the and we have also opened discussions with key medical training college to establish special training in psychiatry. For instance, we are equipping our health center to provide psychiatric and other trainings. After we take psychiatry, on this note, I immensely thank the government and the people of Finland for partnering with us in delivering this project. Mwana abasonga aba yobalwe Helsinki capital ya Finland, led by Oscar. Abantu bali wansi barambatu bantu Nairobi. Yomanye project ye ne y'abantu ba Finland babete baba ya Finland lakini bakadonate. Ndoto kubangira chikobi. Chikobi. Biyamano Toga ndio karama ya dona kwa promise 2022. Manifesto to generate tukeli moto ake re-election chitiki ejinetara akona tumanye chitoma ishwa waachiri maana kwa bila manifesto. Kuna wana iga na nyonge ndono ikolezi ya ya mkomoni. Aende na nyonge ndona yende ikolezi ya ya wa inamero na yande ya musi. Yoto da ite facilities kere angena saba ndo amenyeke. Ikine ga zina mwa doende ende ndoka. Kwenge ya manu maro chegoro. Maro chegoro ya bete. Jebotambe kwa tena amangana Nyamira, toisarasi Nyamira, toyesorbe Nyamira. Iweze ntiate wete ile na Nyamira ekiara na mananka kali ale senete Nairobi omo senete onto obere ga komaina abantu